Welcome, boys. Okay, in this video we're going to replace the Serpentine Belt on our 2003 Lincoln Town Car. I'll go ahead and get you boys set up where you can see something. That should do her for this video, I think. Okay, so you need your 3/8 ratchet. There's a little square hole where your square 3/8 ratchet fits into right here on the tensioner. Once you stick her in the hole, we apply some torque this direction, and that loosens the belt. And now take it off of the accessory. So don't forget which way it goes. And slip her out. Alright. Belt removed. If you were curious if any of your pulleys are bad now. Alternator sounds good. This one's good. That one's good. AC's good. Obviously I'm not going to turn the crank. Power steering's good. None of them make any noise when you spin them. None of them have excessive play or anything like that in them. We have our new Motorcraft belt. See if I can get a part number up in here. Now we put her on. Alright, so I think it's easiest to start from the top, and then the last one you're not going to be able to get on would be down there at the AC, but then what you do is take it off the alternator, and then now it should be everywhere else where it needs to be, except the alternator, which is how we took it off when we loosened it. So now we just put our 3/8 ratchet back up in here, apply some torque again to the tensioner, and then with all that torque applied, should have enough slack to slip the belt back over the alternator, loosen, and now check real quick to make sure everything's on. As we can see, we are not on the power steering, we are off. Looks like actually 2 ribs. And that's no good. So we just apply the torque again. There we go. Now everything looks good. Alright boys, that is how we change the belt on our 2003 Lincoln Town Car. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.